We have news about women's health and the struggle it can be to deal with hot flashes, the stress, sleeplessness during menopause. Lindsay Davis has the results of a brand new study about real help, and it's not a pill.
The symptoms are legendary.
The worst part is waking up in a pool of water.
Suddenly you're very warm and you think the thermostat went up inside your body.
Most women are faced with rather limited options. Take lots of pills, hormone replacement therapy, herbal remedies, or simply toughing it out, which is why today's study is creating such a sensation. The study concluded that acupuncture, which treats patients by inserting and manipulating needles in the body, curbs the severity of hot flashes and eases the stress that causes. The authors based their findings on 53 postmenopausal women. All of the women measured their symptoms using a 5-point scale before and after the treatment. 27 of the women received traditional Chinese acupuncture twice a week for 10 weeks. The rest thought they were given acupuncture, but the needles didn't actually penetrate the skin. The result? The women who got the real acupuncture reported unmistakable relief, significant drops in the severity of their hot flashes. Researchers suggest the needles trigger the body's release of endorphins, which may help stabilize the body's temperature.
It is very significant because it gives women an option. More or less, it's either hormone replacement therapy or some herbal therapies or nothing. And they can use this singularly or added to other therapies that they're using with good effect.
So you did acupuncture. How did that work for you?
It worked very well. It was like a miracle.
Your heat flashes weren't as bad. Take me from, if they were a 10 before acupuncture, what number would you give them after?
3.
The 2,000-year-old Chinese tradition is already being used to treat other ailments, often related to pain. For instance, a study by the National Institutes of Health found that in just 7 weeks, 60% of patients with chronic lower back pain said they felt better.
And at the renowned Mayo Clinic, acupuncture is now part of the standard of care for all patients in the Joint Replacement Center. And interestingly, they're now doing their own trial looking at acupuncture for hot flashes. And Diane, that's certain to get a lot of people's attention.
Having symptoms go from 10 down to 3, and you said no pool of sweat in the middle of the night even. And does it hurt?
You know, I got one of the needles right here in my hand. I was ready to be all squeamish, and surprisingly not at all.
Not at all. Well, again, the Eastern art revived, and it could really help. Thank you.